We're gonna give it a small little demonstration on this piece here. I love this coffee machine. This coffee machine is awesome. I love it. Just showing a small little clip video on how the filter and everything works. And then the water right here, and they got all good levels of water, which is awesome. I like that. Let's see if I can focus it in real quick. All right. Just got this phone not long ago, so I'm kind of having a hard time trying to figure out how to adjust the system and everything and all. It's a good phone, but it's just the camera. I still need to learn how to work with it and all. But this is a good coffee machine. I love it. Just showing a small little clip and how it actually works and everything and all.
So I just took this out of the box. Looking kind of dirty. I guess I have to clean all. I mean, I would have cleaned it anyway, but this is really dirty. The little filter's also kind of gross. Yeah. it's definitely not clean.
This would be a really nice coffee maker, except it doesn't have something to lift it up. I put this here to lift it up because if it doesn't have that, then the distance down to your coffee makes it splatter all over and makes a mess. I don't know if anyone else is having this trouble, but that's the trouble I'm having.